Most reward apps don't increase earnings by themselves. The real difference comes from stacking multiple apps that pay for different actions like games, cashback, surveys, and offers, so you're never waiting on one income stream to be active. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps people stack together, how stacking actually increases earning opportunities, and what causes most users to earn less even when they use multiple apps. Start with what stacking reward apps actually means. It's not about running apps at the same time. It's about combining different earning systems, so each app covers a different type of activity, like shopping, gaming, or completing tasks. So instead of depending on one app, you build multiple small earning channels. First category is game reward apps. These apps pay you for playing mobile games and reaching milestones. They work well as a background earning method, because you can use them during downtime while other apps are inactive. Second category is cashback apps. These apps handle everyday purchases. Every time you shop or scan receipts, you earn rewards. This becomes your most consistent layer because it's tied to normal spending. Third category is offer wall apps. These apps give access to multiple tasks like installing apps or completing small actions. They act as a flexible earning layer when other apps don't have active game or cashback offers. Fourth category is survey and micro-task apps. These apps fill gaps in your earning stack. When game offers slow down or cashback activity is low, surveys and small tasks keep activity going. Fifth category is referral-based apps. These apps add bonus earnings when people you invite stay active. This layer is inconsistent, but it can boost total rewards if you have an audience or network. Now here's what actually decides whether stacking works or fails. Offer overlap is the biggest issue. If multiple apps depend on the same advertisers, you don't actually increase earnings, you just duplicate the same opportunities. Time distribution matters more than app count. Using 5 apps poorly usually earns less than using 2 apps consistently. And payout balance matters as well. Some users stack apps, but never reach payout thresholds, because earnings are spread too thin across platforms. So effective stacking is not about using more apps. It's about using different earning types that don't compete with each other. Summary. Reward stacking works best when apps cover different earning methods like games, cashback, and tasks. Earnings depend on offer variety, time management, and payout structure. More apps don't automatically mean more income. Next step. Pick 2 different reward apps from separate categories and track which one gives you more consistent earning activity over 1 week. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.